What's the meaning of alternately? Alternately. 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 Alternately.
Alternately is an adverb that means happening or following in turns. When something happens alternately, it means that it occurs in a repeated pattern of switching back and forth between two or more things. For example, if the lights in a room alternate between red and green, they switch back and forth between those colors repeatedly. This can create a sense of rhythm or balance in the way things happen. Alternately can be used to describe a variety of scenarios where things take turns happening, such as alternating movements, alternating currents, or alternating perspectives.